Okay, so here is my Artic King window air conditioner from 2020, I think. It's a 5,000 BTU. I made a video of this running a while back, like last year, I think. But I never talked and I never showed some features. But pretty basically, air conditioner for like $150 or something. But by the way, here's, I don't know the cameras. Let's focus, camera. Focus. Okay, it says auto right here, low, high, medium, high. There we go. But it says check filter. This light will light up if you want to check the filter. Then when you turn it on, it'll energy save and turn that off. Then that's it over there. You can also turn it too. Come on. Guess that's broken, I guess. There's not much to say about it. But please subscribe and there's your dinner.